Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today I am showing you how to make shower gel. This recipe is super easy and it makes great shower gel, just like store-bought, if not better. Plus, this recipe is completely customizable and only requires 3 ingredients. I'm also sharing a minty fresh recipe and a rich and moisturizing recipe. Stay tuned in because I'm sharing a tip on how to get sparkling swirls in your shower gel. Check out the description for the complete recipe and substitutions. You'll need distilled water, guar gum, and a liquid surfactant. Emulsify ingredients with a blender. The water becomes very thick, which is perfect for thicker shower gel. You can make shower gel without it, but I do recommend a preservative. Once you have the gel base, just add the surfactant. This can be any liquid surfactant that you have. Slowly stir in the surfactant and don't use the blender after this point. Now I'm going to share a rich and moisturizing shower gel recipe. For this one, I added melted butter and vitamin E oil. Once all the ingredients are in the beaker, excluding the surfactant, use the stick blender to emulsify everything. Now slowly stir in the surfactant. Look how thick and creamy this shower gel turned out. Hemp seed oil is wonderful for skin and it gives the gel a green tint. I made this mint oil by melting together equal parts of coconut oil and menthol crystals. Jojoba beads are great for skin, and in this case they add granular flare and textural contrast. For a thinner gel, add water or a really thin surfactant like Castile soap. Adding a bit of glycerin turns the gel base an opaque white. I use these glass bottles, but I do recommend a plastic bottle that can be squeezed. And here's the recipe for a clear, sparkling gel that can be used to embellish plain shower gel. You may add a bit of fragrance oil, but anything else will make the gel opaque. I added some sparkling gel with regular shower gel and poured it in to see what would happen. Sparkling wisps randomly formed that varied in size. Then I poured just sparkling gel. It left a shiny glaze on the inside of the bottle. Fill the top with sparkling gel. Then insert a long stirring stick. Drag it on the surface, then twist the spoon to create sparkling swirls. Just to be clear, I have no clue what I'm doing. I've never done this before. If I would have known how easy it was, I would have been making my own shower gel. A little goes a long way. You know, I actually ran out of shower gel and I've been sick with coronavirus for a week now, so I decided to make my own, and I'm so glad I did. I know you guys have been missing me. I've definitely been missing this, and it feels so good to finally be working again and just mainly walking around and not laying in bed. Check out all the suds that are being made from this one shower poof. The Minty Fresh Shower Gel is awesome. The mint oil is exhilarating and leaves skin feeling fresh and clean. The Moisturizing Shower Gel is great. It's rich, thick shower gel that leaves skin soft and moisturized. Plus, I love the scent. I use Vanilla Lace and Pearls, which is my favorite. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration. Connect with me anytime. My accounts are linked in the description.